In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, go into tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is enabled. To disable it, tap on the same tile until it turns grey. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location section. When you find it, click on it and tap on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!